Baking with Isla. Today I will be making chocolate cake in honor of Bindi Irwin. Bindi Irwin is a conservationist. She protects animals. Bindi just got married. We are watching a special showing parts of her wedding. So we will make a wedding cake using Hungry Harry's baking mix. Hungry Harry's baking mixes are allergy-free, so your whole family can enjoy. First, the ingredients. You'll need Hungry Harry's chocolate cake mix, 2 eggs or egg replacer, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1.5 cups of oil. Let's make some cake. First, you'll need some Hungry Harry's chocolate cake mix. Next, put in 2 eggs or egg replacer. Next, you need 1 cup of milk. Last, put in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then, sorry, I said last. Then you need the oil, and that is last. Now, you need to stir it until well blended. I've already put my batter in a pan, but if you haven't, go ahead and do that. And then you're going to need to heat your oven at 360 degrees, and then you're going to need to bake for 20 to 25 minutes. The cake is out, and we are decorating. We've already done a little bit. Since the Australia Zoo is called home of the crocodile hunter, Steve Irwin, Bindi's father, we added some baby crocodiles and a mother crocodile. Currently, we are decorating. We just finished decorating it, and it looks great. Let's see how it tastes. It's so good. You can be a conservationist like Bindi. Don't poach, don't cut down too many trees, write letters, donate money to places who help animals, and more. To learn more about Hungry Harry's, go to hungryharrys.com. They make allergy-friendly easy.